How to unpublish WIX website. Open your web browser and go to the WIX website where you manage your site. Log in with your WIX account credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your WIX dashboard, find your website's homepage. In the top right corner of the screen, you should see a button that says either Edit Site or Design Site. Click on that button to enter the editing mode for your site. Now that you're in the editor, look at the top right corner again. You'll see a button labeled Publish. Hover your mouse over this button. You won't need to click it yet, just hover over it to reveal more options. After hovering over the Publish button, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Unpublish Site. Click on this option. A pop-up window will appear asking if you're sure you want to unpublish your site. Click Unpublish in this window to confirm your choice. To make sure you're really sure, another confirmation box will pop up. Click Unpublish one more time to finalize the process. And that's all there is to it. Your WIX site is now unpublished and offline. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.